Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, please. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Eight of Cups, the Empress, Six of Wands, Nine of Swords, Six of Cups and the Three of Pentacles, the Devil in reverse, Seven of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, bottom of my deck I have the Knight of Wands in reverse. Some immature behavior, some bad memories have been created now. Somebody wants to come back maybe to their Empress who seems a bit disappointed and not wanting to maybe find victory with a person again. I don't know, but even though there's been so much of disruption or bad memories created now, somebody does want to work on this connection and release whatever toxicity has happened in this connection. But this Empress could be now kind of putting up her barriers and saying, stop. You've behaved in a very immature manner and let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification of these cards. Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person spirit. Virgo and their person, thank you. And we'll take a few more from here, Virgo. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Couple more from here and then we begin. Virgo and their person. Okay, I think we have enough. The first card here, Virgo says, I'm a passionate sexual creature in my prime. But thanks to your continual running, I've been left here burning up with fire. I can't even talk to anyone else without your sexual energy being all over me. If you want me, come and take me. Somebody's been a bit inconsistent. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's live our life together free from the past. No one is perfect. I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone-cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died, and I died along with them. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. I dream that I will wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. Every night, I just want to be home, and home is in your arms. Wow, very similar messages. I have an addiction. Please get to know me again. I have changed. Just give me a second. My phone is buzzing. Sorry, Virgo. Here I am back again. So let's start with your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always, Virgo. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, safe travel. Well, either somebody is coming back here, Virgo, or this could be you moving from one phase of your life to another. So don't worry about it. You are totally protected. That's the message I'm getting very, very clearly. The angels are carrying you on their back. So whatever's happening here, don't worry about it too much. Okay? Let's put this here and see what is this Eight of Cups spirit. That normally means somebody returning. But what is it for this reading? Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. Somebody is not happy at all. Maybe they've been left. Maybe they've been in indecision for too long. Waiting, watching. Yes, no decision being made. Pulled in two different directions, and all that has probably led to a lot of unhappiness in this connection, to an extent that it's almost come to an end. Maybe, I don't know. Somebody was very selfish and self-centered in this connection, but as much as they want to come back now, since there's been no communication, I think, between the two of you, this King of Wands feels that if I do go back now, there is a big chance that I will be rejected. They feel their Empress is no longer wanting to be with them or will not accept them. It's kind of Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Yeah, because too much delay has happened. This King of Wands, maybe they were so wrapped up in their own needs and wants and desires and what was going on in their life, they probably took too long to choose. They didn't make that decision. Stood in limbo for too long. I had Two of Wands, Two of Swords. So and now maybe this Empress doesn't want to talk to them, or maybe there's been a little bit of delay or gap in communication. Now this person does want to come back and maybe transform this connection, but they're a bit fearful that I may just get rejected now because of the delay that's happened in this connection. Empress in reverse, yes, things are in troubled waters, it seems right now. Somebody's feeling they want to come out of this feeling now, of feeling left out or blocked out or not having the warmth of this Empress anymore. They do want a brand new beginning again with this Empress, feeling a little embarrassed, feeling a little ashamed about how to face this Empress now. They don't know what to say. Maybe they lied or they were not clear in the past as to what they wanted, and all these things came out, and this Empress could have said, all right, if you whatever. So Nine of Swords in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse is clarified by the Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay. Yeah, I think this Empress decided that, hey, I'm not going to lose any more sleep over you, and I'm not going to stay stressed over you, and if you can't make a decision, I'm dropping you. Till you don't grow up and take control, take charge, and do the right thing, I'm going to block you off. And that's when the stagnation has hit. And now things are in troubled waters. There's some bad memories which have been created, Virgo, between the two of you. And even though this seems like such a beautiful connection, I mean, the Hierophant and the Two of Cups, like this is like a match made in heaven kind of a thing. But I have one person who's holding back now. Maybe this is the Empress saying that, you are just not growing up. Till you don't learn your lesson, I'm not going to let you back in. So Three of Pentacles, Spirit. Three of Pentacles. Yes, now somebody wants to work on this connection. Maybe in the past they were behaving very immature and rash, but they do want to end the fight. If they had any addictions or any bad behavior, they do want to let it go. The Devil twice I've got already in reverse. Devil in reverse, Devil in reverse, right? So they do want to now. Am I right, Spirit? Is it this person? The problem here is that even though they want to now do the right thing, the Tower for them is why they want to change is because now they suddenly realized that this Empress has suddenly turned into the Queen of Swords in reverse. This is like somebody who's very upset with them, very angry with them, and they're fearing that this Queen has cut them out totally. Block them off, cut them out, release them like as if they were toxic or something, and put up her barriers and boundaries. Yeah, it's no longer putting in any effort, no work. But now somebody the other person now wants everything that this Empress wanted. Now they want the Four of Wands, they want the Wheel of Fortune to move in their favor. So Page of Pentacles Spirit, it's the same case. I mean, happening with a lot of zodiacs I've seen in this particular set of readings. The minute one person says, okay, I'm done completely, the other person then realizes, oh, I want to be back. So Page of Pentacles Spirit, this ending is somebody is going to be very, very heartbroken. Yes, this is this person who I think needed to learn this lesson. The Knight of Wands, who was being a little mischievous and naughty maybe in their connection with this Empress. Now this Empress has kind of regained her power and saying, hey, I know I'm good enough to get anyone I want basically, and I have lots to do in my life. I'm not going to sit around, wait for you. And this Empress is the one who's now stagnating this connection, because that confidence has come back into this Empress to understand that how powerful they actually are. And with or without this past person who's always been immature, they can still have a very happy life. Now that this Empress has made that decision and is holding back, now the other person who was always in the Knight of Wands in reverse energy suddenly wants to now show up as the King of Wands. They're ready to take action now. They are holding on tight. They don't want to let this connection go, and realizing all their bad behavior and feeling all these games that I was playing, I've become the loser, because now they've lost their Empress and they're sitting now in heartbreak. Right? So the tables have turned here basically. Earlier this Empress could have been heartbroken. Now this Knight of Wands, who was refusing to grow up and take charge or do the right thing, there could be heartbreak here. So that's all I have for you. For the Empress, there's safe travel. Nothing is going to go wrong. Don't worry about it. And for this King of Wands or Knight of Wands, whoever this person is, maybe it's their turn to learn a little lesson of how it hurts, how you never hurt a soulmate. Now they're realizing that this is my soulmate. They want everything now. Everything that this Empress always knew was a potential and wanted. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.